Welcome back, guys. We're here with another video. Today we have a club car. This is a 2013 XRT 950. Today we're just going to do something simple. So we're just going to do an oil change, and I'll show you guys how to do that, and let's get started. All right. So in order to lift this rusty thing, we got to go under here. We'll just place our jack directly right there on the frame and go up with it. Once we got it where we want it, we're gonna place our jack stands just right there on the frame, and then we'll let her down. Next step, as you can see, I already took the seat off of here, but we're gonna let air in by just opening the top right here on the fill plug. Okay, once you take that cap off, we're gonna come down here, and there's that plug right there. We're gonna take that off. Let's go ahead and do that. Go ahead and grab your drain pan here. And now with a 12mm wrench, we're just gonna go and we'll loosen it. All right, once you got that all drained out, looked like there was some RTV there on the drain plug, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit too. This is called the right stuff. This thing puts things back to use fairly quickly. So we just dabbed a little bit on there. So, and no, there's no tightening specifications, so we'll just do snug. Seems about right. And then go ahead and clean the rest of the stuff off just with some brake cleaner. All right, let's go to the next step. So in order to find the oil filter, we got to go under here, right there. Just on the side of the transmission over here. Once you find it, locate it, go ahead and take it out. I'm gonna use these pliers right here. So, just turn. And there you are. Okay, so this is the filter we'll be using today. It's just a basic Wix filter. So I am going to write the hours we have on it, which we have 175. And then I will put today's date, which today is the 24th. Now before you throw that back on, I just dabbed my finger with a little bit of oil. We're going to put it around that seal. And now we'll throw it back on. All right, with our oil filter in hand, let's go ahead and throw it back on. Okay, so that should be all set. And now I'm gonna grab my brake cleaner again and just gonna spray off wherever we might have got some stuff on. We are now ready to put it down on the ground. So just jack it up. And put her down. As far as the oil I'll be using, it'll be this 5W30. I'll buy it in bulk. That's how it comes. So I'm gonna fill this up to about 2.5 quarts. And then I will let you know how much the machine takes. All right, so at the top of the engine here, I'm gonna go ahead and put a funnel down there, and then you're gonna pull the dipstick out. Go ahead, clean off whatever residue. Just leave that right there. Get your rag just in case anything happens. And I'm gonna start with 1.5 quarts. I went a little bit over. Yeah, Went a tiny bit over. We'll see how it looks after we fill up the oil filter. All right, so we're gonna circulate everything and see where it ends up. So we're gonna put that back in. Go ahead, start her up to circulate the oil. Just a few seconds. That should have circulated the oil by now. Go ahead, pull the dipstick, wipe it, put it back on, take your measurement, and we're at a little bit over. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some out. God. Okay, now that you drain some of the oil, I'm gonna go ahead and check it. And we are right on the dot. Let's get another angle. There we go. As you can see, it's right on the dot. All right, guys, that's the end of that. Later on, I'll have a lot of videos with these club cars and a bunch of other UTVs. We do use them for plowing snow. So stay tuned, and yeah, we'll put out more content. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and we'll see you next time.